Science in everyday life, composition. We live in the age of science and enjoy all the fruits of science. Science has been a wonderful boon to humanity. It is like the Aladdin's lamp. Like its science has created wonders. By now, science has changed the face of the world. Man has established his supremacy over nature with the help of science. From the early morning to the late hours at night, we always feel the impact of science in our daily life. Beginning of science. In the primitive age, men lived in caves. They lived life like animals. But with the passage of time, reason developed in them. They learned to make discoveries and inventions. Since then, the progress of the civilization started. Some gift of modern science. Modern science has made everyday life easy and comfortable. Electricity, telephone, radio, and television, communication, motor vehicles, wireless, aeroplane, computer, and medical instruments are all achievements of science. To some extent, it can even change the course of nature. It can change the desert into fertile land. We get many other fashionable goods because of the gift of science. Electricity. Electricity is one of the wonders of modern science. It has changed our total life. It can change the night into day. It drives cars, turns and supplies power to mills and factories, etc. It provides many types of amenities of life. Wireless telephone and television. Telephone, radio, and television are some other wonders of modern science. Telephone sends out messages from one place to another with the help of electric waves. By means of radio, we can hear the voice of a speaker from any part of the world. In a television, we can even see the pictures of the speaker. By television and satellite, we can see picture from any part of the world. In the field of communication, modern communication system is fully depends on science. Once men traveled on foot. It was very difficult. But with the advancement of science, man has overcome these difficulties. The train, the bus, the steamer, and launch. The car and the aeroplane carry us from one place to another with ease and comfort. Space travel is one of the most important achievements of science. Man has already landed on the moon and some other planets. Computer and calculations. Modern age is the age of computer. It has brought a great change in the modern world, but it has already occupied a very important place in the daily life. Nowadays, the advancement of country is measured by the use of the computer. This technology is used in almost every Spearhead of practical life. Spearhead of practical life. Calculator is very important small instrument to calculate our daily sheet. In agriculture, science has helped in the development of agriculture too. It can turn desert into fertile fields. It has helped us to increase the fertility of soil. It can improve the quality of seeds. It is being used to destroy insects and pests. It prepares good manure. Synthetic food and clothes are made cheaply. It has gradually reduced our dependence on nature. In medical science is one of the greatest achievements of modern science. Today, ultraviolet ray, penicillin X-ray, electric diagram, biopsy, ECG and ultrasoundgram, etc. have brought a new era in medical science. Medical scientists have become successful in transplantation of some of the inner bodily organs. It has been able to save millions of lives. In education, the printing press has made civilization richer by printing books and supplying cheap books to all. Thousands of books, magazines, newspapers are being printed every moment. Without printing press, the spreading of knowledge would almost be impossible. Other inventions. The radar is another wonderful invention. It gives signal about weather forecast and warns the countrymen about the enemy planes. Nuclear energy is another invention of science. It can be used in favor of mankind and disfavor of mankind. Atom and hydrogen bombs are invented with the nuclear energy. Mills factories are the symbol of scientific achievement. Conclusion. Science has been a great blessing to culture. The modern civilization is the product of science. It has driven out superstitions. The service of science to mankind is like giving eyesight to the blind, power of hearing to the deaf, power of movement to the lame and life to the dead. We should also make sure of the proper use of science for the welfare of humanity.